Hello everybody, this is Mr. Bowman. Today we're going to be looking at the ALEX topic, solving a decimal word problem using a linear equation of the form Ax plus b equals c. Alright, so I know a lot of people have some reservations about word problems, but really all they are is a situation where we have to then apply some of the math we've been using. So the first step is always turn it into the math you've been seeing. So there's really only one new step. Not always an easy step, but there's really only one. So let's try not to overthink it too much. So let's see what's going on. Tom rented a truck for one day. There was a base fee of $19.95, $19.95, we're being technical, and there was an additional charge of 92 cents for each mile driven. Tom had to pay $211.31 when he returned the truck. How many miles did he drive the truck? So let's see what I have here. I have a base fee and a charge per mile, and I'm looking for a total of $211.31. So usually I want my variable to be whatever it is I'm trying to identify. So going down to that last sentence, how many miles did he drive the truck? So I'm going to take that how many miles and call that x. Okay? So I have my how many miles is x, and then which number here relates to miles. I have that 92 cents per mile, which since it is cents, I want them all to be in dollars, so I'm going to call it 0.92. So 0.92x for how many cents per mile. And I'm going to add that $19.95 on there because that's going to be how much I'm getting charged. This up front and then this depending on how much I drive. And, well, Tom, not me, I suppose. And then my total is $211.31, since that's what he paid. So we need to figure out what's going on here. So if I want to break it down to how many miles that Tom drove, I want to lose that base cost. So I'm going to subtract $19.95 or 19.95 from both sides so I can break it down to just that miles. So 0.92x equals, and then doing some quick subtraction here, we end up with 191.36 going up by 5. All right, then I need to do some quick division because I want to get that x by itself. So x equals, so do this off to the side here so you don't have to watch me do that. Looks like we're getting 208. So, and since this is a word problem, remember you don't want to leave it here like we normally would. Oops, sorry, rolled off the bottom there. 208. I want to actually label it so x is measured in miles. So my final answer would be 208 miles.